Welcome back at your own channel Maths Mela, where we are discussing the academics of mathematics. The thought of the day is worrying will never change the outcomes. What does it mean? It means that whatever the situation, whatever the problems you are facing, if you will worry, if you will start worrying about these problems, then will the problems solve? Never. It will never happen that if you will start worrying, the problem will be solved. It won't happen. So the best thing is what? Stop worrying. Try to understand what the problem is. Then go through the problem and try to find out the possible solution. You may be getting 2, 3 or more answers. So the next step will be what? Out of these more or whatever the possible solutions are there, out of that you have to find out the best workable solution, and after doing that apply it and you can overcome from that problem. So again one more time, worrying will not change the outcomes. Okay, so what you can do is stop worrying and start thinking over the problem. Now let's start with the exercise number 5.3. Before starting with exercise number 5.3, let me revise that quadratic equation. Recently in the last year, we have solved this quadratic equation by using quadratic formula, by using splitting the middle term, by using completing the square. Okay, but the restriction was what? B square minus 4ac. Okay, so if you are solving quadratic equation, okay, quadratic equation solution depends on what? Your discriminant d, that is equal to b square minus 4ac. According to that, 3 possible things were there that which were largely affecting the thing. If it is greater than 0, then it is 2 different real root. In place of t, I am writing 2. Okay, then the second one was equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, it means that 2 equal real roots, and if it is less than 0, then it was no roots. Okay, and in grade 11 we are just about to find out what is no real root. When it is possible, when we are getting no roots, whenever the discriminant d is negative. Okay, and that time it will be what? Square root of the negative number. Say square root of minus 5. But right now in this chapter complex number, we are able to find out minus 5. That is root minus 5. How to write it? We are writing root minus 5 as root 5 into I, because I is equal to what? Minus 1's root. Okay. So with the help of this thing, let's solve the quadratic equation. The number 1 is what? X square plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, what it will be? X square is equal to minus 3. Okay, it means the value of x is equal to plus minus under root minus 3. The restriction in grade 10 was what? The root is what? With the negative, so we cannot find out. But now, what we can write it? Plus minus 3 into minus 1. So it will be what? Plus minus root 3 into I. Okay, so what are the values of x? It is what? Either root 3i or minus root 3i. Okay, so the sum number next, very simple it is. Now 2x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Right? So first thing is what? With the help of discriminant. First, I will suggest that find out the discriminant so that you can use quadratic formula. So what is b square here? b is equal to, or here inside you can write it like this. A is equal to 2. Okay. A is equal to 2. B is equal to 1, and c is also equal to what? 1. Now b square is what? 1 square is 1 minus 4 into a is equal to 2. C is equal to 1. This is equal to what? 1, then 4 twos are 8 and 8 ones are 8. So the answer is what? Minus 7. Again 4 twos are 8, then 1 minus 8 is what? Minus 7. Now here b square minus 4ac is what? Equal to minus 7, which is less than 0. So there is no real root but imaginary roots will be there. Therefore x is equal to, how we are doing, minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, then this is equal to minus, the value of b is 1 plus minus, it is minus 7 upon 2 into 2. So the value of x is minus 1 plus minus, we know now it is under root 7 I upon 4. Okay, so what are the values of x? Therefore x is equal to minus 1 plus root 7 I upon 4, comma, directly minus 1 minus root 7 I upon 4. Is it so simple? Yes. Now the next one is what? Some number 3. What is that 3? X square plus 3x plus 9. X square plus 3x plus 9. Then using quadratic formula, you can here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 9. Therefore b square minus 4ac is equal to 3 3s are 9 minus 4 into 1 into 9. So 9 minus 36, that is minus 27. Right or no? 9 as it is, 9, 4 9s are 36. Therefore x is equal to, by quadratic formula, minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, where minus b's value is what? Minus 3 plus minus under root of minus 27, or directly we can write down 27i upon 2a. What is the value of a here? 1. So it is 2. So therefore x value is equal to minus 3 plus 27i, okay, upon 2, or minus 3 minus under root 27i upon 2. Okay, the next one is what? Some number 4. What is that? Minus x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0, and here a is equal to minus 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 2. Okay, so what is the value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 1 square is what? 1 minus 4 into a is also what? Minus 1, c is also what? Minus 2. So this is equal to what? 4 2s are 8 into 1 is 8, but minus 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 is what? 1 minus 8 minus 7. Okay, right? So by quadratic formula, value of x is equal to minus b plus minus b square 4ac upon what? 2a. Right? Now minus, as it is, b's value is what? 1 plus minus 7 upon 2. A's value is again what? Minus 1. Okay, because here it is minus 1. So right now what it will be? Therefore x is equal to minus 1 plus under root of 7i upon minus 2, or is minus 1 minus under root of 7i upon minus 2. This minus minus will get cancelled. Okay, so these are what the value of the x. What we will do here? Here first we will multiply each and every term by root 2. So it will become simply multiplied by root 2. Okay, this was the equation. So it will become root 2x square root 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, and because of this your a will be root 2, your b will be also root 2, and your c will become 1, and then b square minus 4ac will become, what is b square? It is 2 minus 4 into root 2 into 1. So the answer is what? 2 minus 4 root 2. Okay, this is what your b square minus 4ac. Therefore, by quadratic formula, what it is, x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon what? 2a. Is that okay? So this is equal to what is minus b. How can we write down minus b here? It is minus root 2 plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac can be written as 2 4 root 2. Okay, upon 2 into root 2. Okay. Now sum number 10. The last sum. Keep it like this only, that is also fine. What is that? X square plus x upon root 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. Now what, again same thing, multiply it by root 2. Then it will become root 2 x square plus x plus root 2. Okay, then here it is what? A is equal to root 2, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to root 2. Therefore, by first we will find out b square minus 4ac. Okay, so what is b square? It is 1 minus 4 into root 2 into root 2. Then root 2 into root 2, 2 4s are 8 and then it is minus 7. So therefore, by quadratic formula, that is equal to what? X is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Therefore, what? X is equal to, what is minus b? It is minus 1 plus minus 7 and then root 7i upon 2 into root 2. So one time it will be plus and one time it will be what? Minus. So the sum of exercise number 5.3 is what? Somewhat easy because we already have done in our last year, that is in grade 10. So before putting a full stop, let's go through the thought once again, but it will not change the outcomes. Okay, so it won't be useful that sitting at home and telling that the situation will be okay, or when it will be the corona, when it will go and when we will come out, when we will start with our regular work and all. Sitting at home just doing or keeping or some worrying will not help you out. So it's advised that stop worrying and start working. Okay, then only you will be what? More happy and energetic, and you can able to achieve the desired goal. So this is what full stop for today, and surely you will meet soon at your own channel Maths Mela. Till that time, be happy, be at home. Thank you.